Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today is another tutorial guys, and it's lace pattern. I brought a simple lace pattern that can easily add up. You are not going to tire of doing this lace pattern. It's going to make your project go fast. So it's not that type that you are going to waste time on your pattern and it to discourage you for what you are knitting. This is adding up quickly. So guys, if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, you are welcome. This is Knitting Catalog, where we have fun in knitting. You need to subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be getting notification at any time I make a new video. To my existing subscribers, thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you. So let's go into today's tutorial. So right now you can see what I have here. I just feel like, imagine you are knitting. It's either you are knitting a non-stretchy band or stretchy band like rib, and you have done this. This is how you are going to go into this lace pattern, whichever band you want to knit. So I choose this right now. So this pattern runs in 3 needles each. We are going to share this needle into three needles each. So let's see how to share it, and it works with 3 needles each as well. So let's see what I mean. This and this, you can see we are having 3 here, and I'm pushing 3 needles out, and 3 is at the end. This is 20 by this side, this is 20 needle by this side, and this is 19 needle by this side. So 20 by 19 needle to make it set of 3 needles each, just like the way you are seeing it right now. So those one that I push out a little bit, I'm going to empty the needles. I'm going to remove the stitches right now and empty them on this one on B position. So see the way I will do it right now, guys. We have started. This is the needle layout. So I'm going to take this and fix it on this. I'm going to remove these two right now together, just like this. Fix it on that, and you can see we have 3 empty needles. So this is going here, and I'm going to take these two together and fix it on this. Then I'm going to take this on this. Meanwhile, these have to go back. So these two right now, pick them together and hang it here. So this is the needle layout, guys, and this is how I'm going to be working on them. I will be interchanging the needles. This will work right now, and after, the back one will come in. So by transferring the stitches just the same way I'm doing. So you can see what we have right now. So we have 3 set of needles each. So 3 with stitches on, and 3 sets as empty one at the A position. So you can see what we have right now. I'm going to go ahead and choose any tension you want to use. So I'm going to use tension 8, and I'm going to knit 6 rows right now. So leaving it like this and knit 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's it. Then what I need to do is to go to, make sure you count the 6 loops, because it's 6 rows. This is 3 and this is 3. So I'm going to go from the 6th loop, the empty one here. I'm going to hang these 6 loops on the middle of the empty needles. I'm going to do this to all the loops that have empty needles. The needle in the middle is what I'm going to hang them on. So you can see, make sure the 6 loops are complete. So you can see. Then you can see what I mean right now. So I'm going to hang little weight on it because I don't want it to puff all my stitches out. So hang weight on it just like this, and hang little weight on it as well. So I'm going to knit right now one row. So one row right now. So that's it. Then right now, the three sets that is empty, the middle one is on the work right now. So I want to make sure the empty three needles are back to work, and the first needle I work with are going to go back. So I'm going to rearrange the stitches right now, and this is how you would do it, guys. So I'm going to go here and remove this, the last stitch that is close to the empty needle here, and fix it on it. Then here I'm going to take this and this and fix it on here. So this is going here. You can see where we work on the first three stitches is being set to an empty three needles. So, and this is going to take this and this to come here. Then this is coming here. So setting them back, making the first one that work to be empty right now. Then this is going here. Then this and this is coming here. This is going here. You can see we have three needles right now. Then this and this is coming here. Then this is going here. This is coming here. So you can see what we have right now. So I'm going to knit one row right now. So after knitting the one row right now, I'm going to go ahead and knit 6 rows. So we are the starting again of this pattern. I'm going to knit 6 rows. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. Then I'm going to go to the middle of the empty needle here and hang the 6 loops on it. Then here, the 6 loops on it. On the center needle. So you can see what we have right now. Then I'm going to knit one row. So this is knitting 6 rows and use 2 rows to bring out the second order or the next order. So that's it. So I'm going to knit one row right now. The needle went back. Then I'm going to fill up this and make these 3 to be empty. These 3 stitches that have stitches on, and these 3 needles that have stitches on, I'm going to make them empty and knit the second row. That is setting it back to the second order or the next order. So this go here, then this and this here, this go here, then this and this here, this go here, and this and this. So you can see right now, then the second row is bringing the new set of needle on board. So that's it. Then I'm going to knit 6 rows right now. So this is how I'm going to interchange the orders of the needle. And you can see that the rows are counting, it's making my project to be, you know, getting to the rows I needed faster. It's not making me to need more rows, and and the row is not counting for me. That is, it's not moving faster. So this kind of lace design is so beautiful to use. You are not going to, sweat it out before you finish your project, because it's hand manipulated, lace pattern. And everybody is afraid of hand manipulating pattern taking more time in knitting projects. So this is so beautiful. So right now I'm going to go ahead and knit 6 rows. So I'm going to, knit more, and let's see the beauty of this pattern. So guys, you can see what we have right now. So it's time to see the front side. So how to end this right now? I'm going to be pushing one needle, at the side of the empty 3 needles, just like this and this and this and this, then push this and knit 1 row. Then I'm going to bring all the other empty needle back to work and knit few rows. So this didn't form perfectly well. So see what we have. You can see what we have here, guys. You can see how beautiful this lace pattern is right now. So beautiful, and it's counting fast. You can see.